This is a serious video about the repair of TV screens. If you go online, you probably found a bunch of videos telling you how to repair your TV screen, and then you find it's a joke at the end, and they don't really help you or tell you what to do. The reason is it's almost never worthwhile. Repairing is not possible to repair it, and it's usually not worthwhile replacing the screen. It's usually the best option to just buy a new TV. So just here, what you see is this is a screen that I took apart, a TV that I took apart, and it's got a lot of cracks. But even if you had a small crack, what happens is just a small crack will distort the image eventually. So you cannot just find glass that is going to fit, cut it rectangular and just put it on your screen, because the glass on the screen is built of several layers and filters, and it's also connected with some circuit connections to the back of your screen. So it's not that simple. Again, because of the layers and the construction of the screen, is not that simple. So you cannot find an easy replacement. You would be able to find, according to your model, a replacement screen. Fixing it is not an option for the reasons I just explained. Again, it's a bunch of layers, and it's filters placed together, and there is no way you can fix the cracks by bonding them or trying to repair it, because it's always going to distort the image on your television. So the best option is usually dispose of your TV, maybe recycle it if you're environmentally friendly, and get a new TV, unfortunately. I hope this is of some help, and you, through your navigation of all the junk that you would find on the internet, maybe this will be a bit of an explanation of why you cannot repair your TV screens.